Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel. I'm in bed now. Ngifulala mina, but it's unlullable because ngingena ku YouTube and then I came across a video that Mihlale just posted like 30 something minutes ago. Check this out.
Hey loves, I'm here to address a matter that has been circulating on social media pertaining to my personal life. I am one who really struggles to articulate myself and express my feelings, so I have written you guys an open letter and I hope you are willing to hear me out. Let's get started. I come before you today with a heavy heart and a sense of responsibility to address a matter that has been circulating and has deeply affected me. It was with great vulnerability that I admit I was involved in a toxic relationship. This relationship started off verbally and emotionally harmful, and matters quickly escalated to it being physically harmful. I, unlike others, can take full accountability for my involvement in the toxic dynamic. One can only keep quiet for so long after tolerating gaslighting, aggression, emotional abuse, manipulation, obsessive behavior, and control tactics employed by an individual. Tactics used to distort my perception of love, which led me down a path of pain and torment. The scars of this experience run deep, and the trauma continues to echo in my personal life and in my business. Such cases can be complex, escalate gradually over time, and difficult for some to understand, especially if they have no personal experience. However, that does not discredit or invalidate my story as I have lived it. It is imperative for us to educate ourselves on the nature of emotional abuse, gender-based violence, and the devastating impact it has on families, individuals, and communities. Despite the darkness that has clouded my past, I am filled with hope and determination to embark on a journey of healing. I'm committed to seeking the support and resources necessary to get the help I need to reclaim my sense of dignity and self-worth. Through my healing journey, I hope to inspire others to speak out, seek help, and break free from any toxic environment, as nobody deserves it. Thank you so much for listening, guys, and I really would like to humbly ask that you respect, support, and understand me as I navigate this challenging journey towards healing and empowerment. And to everybody who has reached out concerned about my safety, my well-being, and sent words of encouragement, they do not go unnoticed, and I truly do appreciate it. Thank you for hearing me out.
Before you even talk, check this video out.
When I'm in a relationship, I'm in a relationship. I won't even fuck around. Yeah. I'm committed. But then I go back to be like, hey, what's good? And they also realize and understand, okay, she's in a relationship.
And there's always people that you know, like you guys just have.
Dude, I've been having one person for the past 3 years. We good like that.
Get married.
No, he's married. No.
Mina guys, le videos too. It lives rent free. La kule mention yam. Mina nginekhanda elikhulu. It lives rent free kuphi? La. Ngiyazi futhi ukuthi akuyona kuphela le mention kuphela. Le video ephila rent free khoteng. Okoteng. Sibaning. You understand? Angeke. Shuti, Leroy, I think it was last week or last week where Leroy came up with a statement. First, Mihlala posted pictures of her bruised up and was thanking her angel. I even said, go to Mina, guys, I'm an angel's win. That's why I want to be left alone and I don't want to bother people because I'm an angel's win are dangerous because as long as I'm in contact with the wall. Yeah. Umuyiza ukuthi mina ngi-heartless ngihleke hayi lesasho i-GBV i-GBV guys ngicela siyibekeni kahle eceleni guys uma uthatha umuntu ngobutsotsi itala utshela ukuthi ula bese zakunetha hayi akusase i-GBV leyo bafethu kusuke kuyini ingxoxo man yini icontact yeah kunjani manje bafethu makunje akithi nina nisithola si-happy nama soulmate wethu noma nisibona si-happy nama soulmate wethu manje sibona si-happy nalama soulmates wethu a-fucked up ama-angels wethu lapha inasenze in contact namabonda nishange 18 nina angangivele ishange 18 mathi ngiqhamuka nama-blue eye ngiqhamuka nama-green eye ngiqhamuka namehla ashintsha ngathi lilwane hayi bafethu jwang hayi nina ningenzi kanjalo niye mos benikhuluma ama-married man anjani ama-married man oh I was saying uLeroy came out saying ukuthi uMihlale wakhipha those messages ukuthi uMihlale umfonela 100,000 and 50 million umfonela wathi mayifele endlini kakhe wacisha umkapha yena umthatha install uMihlale lapha ebondweni. That's how she became in contact with iVido with ibonda. Next thing manje uMihlale naye you just said ukuthi ugel nayo une-evidence ukuthi angazi kunjani mina ngixaka guys ukuthi you can't articulate yourselves but niyakwazi thatha abantu bethu yo into ayihlekayo lo mama kubani Mary Jane I'm sure into abahleka yona ziyakhala phela manje yazi yakhala umuntu sometimes ukayitshela ukuthi ufike wathatha ilentuzana isoulmate yakho kanti wena uthatha iproblem yakho ubudinga iway into ezokukhupha apha kulanto ubujongane nayo uyaqonda manje abantu abasakwazi uku-articulator manje sebehamba i-self healing. What about bonke laba bantu labafazi labanye abantu besifazane labantu bashaya ngedini bona benze njani kasingabuza ukuthi bona kumele ukuthi benze kanjani ke bona eyabe healing at least when ususheshe yazi usheshile and usheshile ufuna healing ne healing yakhe isheshile uqala abaye basagoisha basathi go to nxa yabo guys anikwazi ukuthi niyenze lezi zinto enizenza apha sinibwenza cry victim just cry out of. And another thing mina with me I do not take anyone serious who reads something on that they wrote on a piece of paper. No, I don't take you serious. Most especially if you claim you are portraying or you are spilling or pouring your heart out. Oh, guys. I don't take that serious. I don't. It's not genuine. If you want to pour your heart out, you're supposed to be speaking from your heart, not from a piece of paper. How do we know ukuthi lento ibhalwe uwe? And how do we know ukuthi lento awu-edithanga wazama by all means ukuthi gcine sekuba nokhumba ya hayi wena imbokodo qina gela anikwazi-ke fana Lulu Menziwe even naye azi ukuthi elakhe angalenza naye angeke nje mina ngisympathize mina washo ubani uBig Zulu wathi inkomo zikababazi ulobola udoti. And I heard this song if I'm not mistaken that's what he said on the song. Yeah, ndokuqala self feeling yakho. That's very important. Qala self feeling yakho. But nje no, mina nje I don't feel sorry for anyone who destroyed another, even if ngathiwa it was already destroyed, but ukuthi nawe ufike wena the good kind Samaritan uzo offer a helping hand ukuthi destroy into zabantu, imishado yabantu, noma imishado yabo bisi fucked up, bisi useless, when you had no business being involved. Koqala uMihlale bancane bayang yazi sometimes guys ezinye izinto sike silandele amacala ama-curses ezinye izinto siyalandela shama ama-curses bafitha uqamanga. I don't want to lie. Kunjani manje azikho izinyembezi zomuntu eziwa ephelela nje emoyeni noma ezivele zi-evaporate mazi saphuma noma sisawa zigcina ingafika phansi zonke inyewe ziyafika phansi. Lo sisi wayithulele allegedly, angazi mina, futhi this whole video is all alleged. Wayithulele uMary Jane nje omehlale begoqile bese sama hot property. Yo, into abangama blue eyes yona manje, ama blue eyes. Indoda ziyakhala, but nje lento ifundile. I think you need to redo it or delete it. But ngidala you need to redo it or hey, mina ngishaya futhi nge-copyright le video yakhe allegedly. So guys, siyafuna ukulala nina nazivusa masizama ukuvala amehlo. Ngikhala invelo, angazi ngizikhala ngathola something. Yeah guys, mehla yakhala man. Nimsendele ama supportive messages. Kusamdudu zomunye umntwana. Mina nje angwenza udoti. Ngifana inkomo zakhabo Zulu boy. Asiwenza nje udoti. Kuthi sizo support umuntu it's the same as ingane mayilokhu ifaka isandla emlilweni. Yeke. And mayisho uyibhaxabula kakhulu. Mayisikhala uyibhaxabula kakhulu. Wenzela ukuthini? Angeke iphinde yazi. Angeke abaphinde labo Miss SO. Soon Miss SO uzobe sivula inkonzo. Naye sizoza ngokuthi futhi angimfanisanga kule video kaMbhoro. Guys, fucking follow up poor boy. Si-check ukuthi ukuphi. Ngidlala lo Miss SO bengekho. Lo but unaye sone spiritual journey. Next thing unombe idlala uzobe se-check indaba spiritual journey. Into enihamba kuma spiritual journey yona nina. Futhi inkinga lama spiritual ncothina siyabholta kulama spiritual journey wethu. Nini inkinga niyawokha. Why guys? Yo into sazoyokha nina. But everyone has to reap what they've sowed, bafethu. It is what it is, you know. Yes, sesingabafilela sorry laba abakhalelayo. Ngafile kanjani. But at the end of the day it doesn't really matter because umuntu uzokuvuna kutshalile. You know. So yeah, bafethu. Uclever nje abusebenzi azi. Uclever abuwenzi nje ama work. Work shawo Rihanna bafethu. Uclever. Abusebenzi guys. Me xolisa Dr. Girl, please as Lord. Marwenza now. Casper Lobuti. And the funny thing, Guti, ubhalile lapha, but she's not being specific with what happened. Uliro was very specific and was very detailed. Yo, angazi but indaba yakhe ebisho nje kahle ukuthi gele before yabo. So this is a very sad thing. Hey guys, I'm sorry as sengiphethe ubuthongo and mina ngiphethe ubuthongo ngiyahleka guys. Ngicela ngasho ukuthi ngihleka le ndaba. So yeah, that's all I have to say with regards to this. Wherever you are, enjoy the rest of your day, evening, and yeah man, sure.